हेलो व्यूवर्स, आज का लेक्चर रहेगा हमारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एंजाइम पर। हमने लेक्चर नंबर 1 में इंट्रो, डेफिनेशंस ये सब किया था। लेक्चर नंबर 2 के अंदर हमने मोड ऑफ एंजाइम एक्शन पढ़ा था। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एंजाइम। लेट्स स्टार्ट। इसकी फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है स्पेसिफिसिटी। The enzymes are highly specific in action. Particular type of enzyme acts on particular substrate. Example, invertase will be acting on only sucrose to convert it into glucose and fructose. Like that, lipase acts only on fats to produce glycerol and fatty acids. On the other hand, catalyst like platinum will catalyze by reduction by molecular hydrogen several components with different structure. Some enzymes act on one substrate and not on others. For example, succinic dehydrogenase catalyzes only the oxidation of succinate to fumarate. Such enzymes exhibit absolute specificity. It means enzymes are specific in action. Particular टाइप ऑफ एंजाइम एक्ट करता है पर्टिकुलर सबस्ट्रेट पर। हमारा नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है एंजाइम की, दैट इज टेम्परेचर। वेलोसिटी ऑफ एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन इंक्रीजेज अप टू सर्टेन ऑप्टिमम above a critical temperature. Enzymes do not function. If damaging temperature is maintained for too many minutes, the enzyme will be completely inactivated. Most cells lose their capacity to carry on metabolism at temperature above 45 degrees Celsius. Only few organisms which bear heat resistant enzyme are able to survive at very hot places. And sometimes we see the food and other edible things can be preserved for a long period in frozen states because both microbial and food enzymes fail to act at very low temperature. हमने जो स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट लाइन बोली थी, दैट इज़ वेलोसिटी ऑफ एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन इंक्रीजेज अप टू सर्टेन ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर। इसके अंदर बिल्कुल सेम है कि जो हमारा रिएक्शन रेट है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शन है टेम्परेचर के एट ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर। एट ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर, दिस इज ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर, इट इंक्रीजेज टेम्परेचर, दैट इज इंक्रीजेज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन। बट आफ्टर ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर, above critical temperature, enzymes do not function. आई होप आपको ये ग्राफ समझ आया होगा। नेक्स्ट करेक्टरिस्टिक्स है हमारी pH. Enzymes normally function most efficiently at particular hydrogen ion concentration. Each enzyme reduces its activity outside its own optimum pH range. Enzymes like pepsin work at low pH, whereas enzymes like trypsin are highly active at pH. Urease act at neutrality in duodenum and works at alkaline pH of 8.5. The hydrogen ion concentration may change the ionization and solubility of enzyme, the substrate, inhibitors and even the activators. It means that different optimum pH value for different enzymes. Next characteristics है हमारी enzyme substrate complex. As already discussed in lock and key mechanism, each enzyme bears active sites. These sites bind the substrate molecule to form enzyme substrate complex. As a result, substrate is converted into simpler product and enzymes remain unchanged. It is to be noticed that enzyme substrate complex is short-lived. नेक्स्ट हमारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन। इंक्रीज इन सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन एनहेंस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन एज मोलिक्यूल्स विल कोलाइड विद एंजाइम्स टू फिल मोर एक्टिव साइट. So the constant enzyme concentration increase in substrate concentration to increase the rate of reaction. When the rate of reaction no longer changes with an increase in substrate concentration, we assume that enzyme active sites are completely filled or saturated with substrate molecules. इसके अलावा एक और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, दैट इज़ वाटर. Water is too much necessary for the enzymatic activity as it influences the rate of enzymatic activity. In the seeds, amount of water is too much less, so no enzyme activity observed there. With the increase in the amount of water when supplied, enzymes again become active and germination proceeds. Due to acute storage of water, the reserve food material remains stored in the seed. आई होप आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स समझ आई होंगी. थैंक यू.